my name is Abigail Panetta, and I'll be performing Heavenly's Monologue from Sweet Bird of Youth by Tennessee Williams. Thank you. Don't give me your voice of God's speech, Papa. There was a time when you could have saved me by letting me marry a boy who was still young, still decent. But instead, you drove him away. You drove him out of St. Cloud. And when he came back, you took me out of St. Cloud. Forced me to marry some 50-year-old moneybag you wanted something out of. And another, all of them ones you wanted something out of. I'd gone. So Chance went away, tried to compete, tried to make himself as big as these big shots you forced me for a bond with. He went. He tried. The right doors wouldn't open, and Papa, you married for love. Why wouldn't you let me do it? Well, I was still alive inside, and he was still young and clean. You married for love, but you wouldn't let me do it. Miss Lucy was your mistress long before Mama died. And Mama was just in front of you. Can I go now, Papa? Can I go now, Papa? I'm sorry my operation has brought this embarrassment on you, but can you imagine it, Papa? I felt worse than embarrassed when I found out Dr. George Shooter's knife cut the youth out of my body. Made me a childless woman. Dry, cold, empty, like an old woman. I felt as if I ought to rattle, like a dead, dried up vine when the gulf winds blow. But Papa, I won't embarrass you anymore. Thank you.